Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be taking you all the way to the northern region of Malawi. We are going to be preparing our traditional favorite called Kondowole, also known as Cassava Pap. So here's how we do it. First, I put in water in the pot and let it come to a full boil. This part is very important. Once the water was ready, I added a bit of cassava flour, stirred it for about a minute before removing the pot from the fire. From there, I pressed the pot down and began adding the flour gradually, stirring with so much energy until it thickened nicely. So let me tell you something. Kondowole is a very filling dish. So it's heavy. It's heavy. It gives you so much strength. It stays in your stomach for a very long time. That's why in the north, many people prefer it when they know that they're going to have a long day ahead, because once you eat it, you are full for hours. So you don't need to eat a lot of it. Just a small portion is enough to keep you satisfied. So once it was thick enough, the food was ready. I molded it into the shape and plated it beautifully, as you can see. Just look at that. Doesn't it look amazing? Just look at that. So this is the famous Kondowole from the northern region. Mostly it's in the northern region. You can still find some people in the central region eating it, but it's mostly famous in the northern region. So I served it with some vegetables and beef on the side, and honestly, I couldn't wait to give it a try. As you can see, as you can see, let's give it a try. So I molded it into a bowl in my hand. It did not stick at all. That's a sign that the Kondowole has been perfectly prepared. If it were sticking, that would mean that it's not quite ready. But this was a 10 out of 10. Karibu. And reaching this far, please do give me a like, follow, and turn on the notification bell so that you get to learn more of Malawian local foods from me. Until next time, it's a bye.